Hello, guys. Want a professional, high-energy voiceover for your YouTube intro, but don't have a good microphone? In this video, I'll show you how to create one in Murf.ai, complete with music. First, start a new project in Murf and write your intro script. Keep it short and punchy. Something like, "Hello, guys, and welcome back. In today's video, we're diving deep into an incredible new tool." Next, choose your voice. This is crucial for your brand. Find a voice that matches your channel's energy. I'll pick an energetic, confident voice for this example. Now, let's make it sound human. Use the emphasis tool on keywords you want to stand out, like deep or incredible. Then, use the pause feature to add a natural break between your welcome and the main topic. This pacing is what makes it sound professional. But an intro isn't just voice, it's also music. Go to the soundtrack section in the left menu. Murf has a library of royalty-free music. Find a track that fits your vibe and add it to the timeline. Here's the most important tip. Lower the volume of the music track so it sits nicely in the background and doesn't overpower your voice. Now click Generate. Murf will mix your refined voiceover and the background music together into a single, polished audio file. And there you have it, a professional-sounding YouTube intro created in minutes, ready for your next video. If this video helped you level up your content, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.